In today's video, I will show you how to build a website in 5 easy steps. If you're interested on learning more about building websites or maybe building your own business with like technology and tools, please hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to link down in the description on everything we talk about in this video, and I'm also going to give you a link so you can download my free ultimate website checklist. If you're looking for more information, hit that button, send me a message, and I'll send it to you right away. All right, well, one of the first things that you need to do is register your domain name. So if you have a company name or just a blog you're just going to make, you can start searching for names right here. You'll see that the the price per year is cheaper than GoDaddy, and I think you could get 3 of them instead of GoDaddy only allows you to buy 1 at this price, and then it renews at $8.56, and I believe GoDaddy is around $15 to $17 now per year. But so that's why I recommend Pork Bun. It's a lot cheaper and it's just as good. Plus they give you free Whois privacy, so it kind of hides your information from the Whois. But yeah, so I'm gonna probably buy my domain name for a .net, which is only less than $4 per year, but it renews at 10. But that's still way cheaper than most domain hosts. The second thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need a web hosting server where basically your website is hosted on the internet and people can find it. You have to put it somewhere, and a lot of people recommend like places like Bluehost or one of the ones like HostGator. I don't really like them anymore since I found NameHero. It's a much smaller company compared to those that spend like bazillions of dollars on marketing. But what's great about them is that they're super fast, and they give, with all of their hosting plans, they give you light speed, which will help your website load faster all over the place. So I would highly recommend this, but you don't have to go with me. I have a link in the description below. So yeah, so let's check it out. So the best part about NameHero is that they provide the light speed, right? And you can't really get light speed anywhere at this price anywhere else on the internet, pretty much. It's $5.26 per month when you buy a year, or it gets cheaper, the longer you dedicate your web hosting to. But I definitely recommend the Starter Cloud if you're just starting. Even the Plus Cloud's really good because you can host up to 6 different websites. They'll even throw you a free domain, but I still would do it through Pork Bun because I think the renewal's cheaper. Yeah, so let's go ahead and register an account. Now that you register your your web hosting with NameHero, they'll send you an email with your name servers on there. It'll look something like this. Go back to Pork Bun real quick, and then you can go to details. Oops, let's not do that one. Let's do this one. And then you'll go right here where you see these name servers, authorized name servers. You would click edit, and usually it'll be like 4 different ones right here. All you have to do is you delete them, and then go to your email that you received from NameHero, and you put both of them right there and hit submit. So I'm not going to do that because I already have it, but once you hit submit, it'll show up right here. And it usually takes, when you first register a domain name, it'll change over really quickly, but it could take a couple hours if it's been sitting there for a while. So these will point your domain name to your web host, which would be on NameHero. All right, now that you created your account, you'll go ahead and get a cPanel login, and with that cPanel login information, it'll give you a link to log in. And then to install WordPress, all you need to go down to is all the way to WordPress at the bottom under Softaculous App Installer. Click that, do install, and then you can choose, I would choose right here HTTPS, and then usually you select your domain name, which you should only have one, but this is on my account. And then you can name your website your blog or your company name. Put in it a little description, create an admin username, password, and then put your main email address right here. And then all you have to do is hit install, and then it will install it instantly for you. It should be up within seconds. So after it's done installing, which only takes like a couple seconds, you'll say congratulations, the software installed successfully. And then you'll be able to go to your website and just check it out by opening up the tab right here. And this is what your website will look like. This is the fresh install of WordPress. And congratulations, you're a website owner. Now all you have to do is edit it. And to learn how to do that, you can check out more of my videos coming up. And please hit that like button if you liked how you can start your own very own website for cheap. If you liked any of the things that you saw on this video, please like and subscribe, as I will start pumping out more of these videos to show how you can build your own website for very low costs. So, and you don't have to pay someone like me to create a website for you. But if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments or send me a message under contact us on my website, which is amlarson.com. And here's my information, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Thanks.